Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to POCO M5. Firstly, just open Play Store on both. Then you need to download free app called Send Anywhere from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. In order for Send Anywhere app to work, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do the same on the other smartphone. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Sorry, that was a misclick. Then you need to choose Receive on your POCO over here and click on Send on an Android. When you're ready, select all of those type of dots from all of those categories and hit Send. This way you will select all of them and transfer them later on. It will take some time though to do it now, so I will go with only those two photos. Choose Send and click on Got It in the pop-up. Now tap on one of those options on POCO, yes I agree or no thanks, and tap on Close this window. As you can see from here, we have the ways to connect. We can input this key over here and then click on Receive button, or we can scan this QR code. In order to scan it, choose this scanning icon over here above User's Guide. Choose while using the upper only this time in the pop-up and point your camera at the QR code. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!